Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. This is Deepa, and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. So, what are we discussing today? What is the topic? What's the energy, and all of that? We're gonna sit down and decode. I'm going to decode the cards for you, and it's 350k on Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri, and oh my god, I am loving how everyone is responding to my energy on new videos, and I get so many messages about things resonating. So yeah, I'm excited what's the energy, and of lately the divine masculine's energy is coming bomb on. Like everything it's like spilled out, vomited, puked. Like everything is no more hidden. Like it's like very clear. Yeah. So even the places are coming so crisp in the video. So let's sit down. I'm still deciding which is the tarot deck that I want to use. So let's see. So I decided to use today my the favorite deck, which is the Muse Tarot. Oh my god, the light is hitting me. Yeah. Okay. So today I'm gonna use the Muse Tarot, and we're gonna give this a shuffle, and let's see. Yeah. This is the my favorite deck. Okay. So I can see the Justice card below. So yeah. So let's see what's the energy. So universe, give me a card. Okay. So the first card which I see is Queen of Pentacles, which is nothing but the Queen of Materials. So what does this talk about? So very strongly, obviously, the Queen is the divine feminine. Yes. It can also mean your divine masculine is tapping into his feminine energy. So all of us have the masculine and the feminine energy. For example, I tapped into the masculine energy in my journey. Yes. So like that, your divine masculine must be tapping into feminine energy. So what are the elements of the feminine energy? Stability, care, understanding, and all of these, which are very much less in an unawakened divine masculine. So I'm seeing that your divine masculine is finally tapping into all these. Yeah. So the Queen of Pentacles talks a lot about your masculine, your divine masculine is tapping into, the feminine elements, right? So he's tapping into his feminine side, which all talks about, listening to your heart, listening to his heart and all of that, right? So the next card which I see is, let's see, Knight of Pentacles, no wonder. And I'm hearing 2 years very strongly, something very strongly happened in 2 years. Yeah. It can be like he changed job in these 2 years. He I keep getting this moving country, or your person is doing another projects. So something to do with, because Pentacles very strongly associates with career. Yeah, so where he was before, he's not there now. So there are a lot of changes. And this, let me tell you, it happens in both the divine masculine and the divine feminine. Yeah. So your person is trying to tap into all the elements, and there are a lot of changes. It can be he changed his job, he changed his career path, and this happens a lot because let me tell you, when I was working in Deloitte, I worked for 5 years. I'm like, no. Yeah, so I quit modeling. I was actually simultaneously also doing modeling, which I'm doing even now. I'm just not walking on the ramp even if I get offers. Yeah, so someday I would come back to that also. Yeah, so it's all about all these changes which happen very significantly in the twin flame energy, and we are fighting the 3D versus 5D. Yeah. So see, we are here, so we need to work on our career, and working on career is a huge part in this journey as well. Yes. So yeah, the Pentacles here talk a lot about a lot of changes in your person's life. It can be like his friend circle changed, his surroundings changed. For some of them, the country changed, something like that. Yeah. Okay, so let's pick the next card. So the next card which I see is, what is it? Emperor. No wonder. And if you see, this is that unique deck wherein the Emperor is a female. You can see it's a female. Generally, Emperor is the male, right? So no wonder I'm feeling like, the divine masculine is tapping into his feminine side. Yeah. So this is very important because then only he will block the path of awakening. because that strongly plays the role in the awakening, like I said. Yeah. So, yeah. So let's see. Next card, Six of Pentacles. No wonder. Okay, so with the Six of Pentacles, I'm getting one energy which I want to talk about in this video. So, the one word or one adjective that's very important in this journey is boundaries. Yeah. So, boundaries are very, very important in a twin flame journey. And I'm going to tell you about this because being a gold aura, and in 2023, the year of gold aura, when it's your aura year, remember you would learn more lessons, and it would be by the end of the year, like December. For example, if this is pink aura year, so by the time December reaches, very significantly something would happen. Yeah. So that plays a very huge role. So, by the time I end 2023, which was my gold aura year, I significantly made so many changes, and I understood the concept of boundaries, and my like life taught me. Yeah. So 2023, my journey taught me. So today I'm going to talk about the boundaries in this video and why it is fucking important. Okay. So the first boundary which you very specifically need to do in your story is around purple energies, right? So I used to lack a lot on my boundaries. Like people would exploit me even if I am right. Like ultimately, like all the people that I cut off are now fucking, crying because what Deepa said is absolutely right. Another day, let me tell you, I she also makes amazing content. I want you to guys check it out. So, not sure what is Kasika's channel's name. I'm going to mention it, yeah, in my posts in the future at least. Check it out. And she was telling me that it's 3 years back, whatever I told her with dot, it has happened. Yeah. So she keeps telling me her experiences. She takes guidance from me. So let me tell you, even if you're a divine feminine who's on the psychic path, it's very important to be that support with each other. So I'm not actually cut out. Let me tell you, when these people come back, I am very specific about who and why I would allow to come back. Let me tell you, I'm a fucking Scorpion. Yeah. So, and my Scorpion trait, like God taught me on this journey that I need to keep my Scorpion trait alive, awake. Yeah. So I'll tell you why. Because if you take your 12 zodiacs, you tell me which zodiac has the venom. It's a Scorpion. No other 11 have. Then check it out. The only one that has venom is Scorpion. And I'll tell you why this is very important. Yeah. So Scorpions play a very huge role in a twin flame journey. I'm not telling that because I am a Scorpion, but Scorpion is a very strong zodiac in a twin flame journey. Because let me tell you, when see, devil is nothing but God's child that has fallen, or angel, is Lucifer, etc., etc. So when devil was like, I want one zodiac. So actually, devil wanted Aries. Let me tell you, but God didn't want to give Aries because it is a fire sign. So imagine how much, because Aries are very blunt with their mouth. They don't think twice. It's a very harsh Mars house. Yeah. And my first soulmate was an Aries. I know what it's capable of, right? So why I'm telling this is he was very specific. He wanted either of the Mars houses, which is either an Aries or either a Scorpion. And then God played a game and said, because God has to protect, God has to do the job. So God has to be like, I'm giving you yet not giving you. That kind of game. So when devil asked for Aries, God played a game and gave him Scorpio. Why? Because emotional side. Let me tell you, if I am seeing a negative side in you, and this every Scorpion would understand, I already know you're not worth my good side. Yeah. This is a specific, like it's an extra lens that only a fucking Scorpion has. I'm not telling that because I'm a Scorpion. Yeah, if I would meet a co-Scorpion, I know by. ये तो Scorpion है ये पूरा. My male friends who are born, my childhood friends who are born with me, like in November, and they are also Scorpion, and we just have discussion. I'm a Scorpion. You're a Scorpion. Like, it's like, we are by default no. So if I'm showing you a mirror, if I'm treating you a certain way, this is because you deserve that. Because I know what are your true intentions. Another Scorpion would understand. And I know some of the Scorpion divine feminines. If my Scorpion side is seeing negative things in you, it's clear cut that these are the things which you are thinking inside. Yeah. So yeah, so half people are scared. Half people run away because we are like Scorpion. Like, people don't want to deal with a Scorpion. People get headaches. Shark is a Scorpion. Why is he so fucking successful? Because he's Scorpion. And in Bazigar and in Dark movie, he's playing his Scorpion side of that anti-hero kind of thing. So remember, Scorpions play a very huge role in Twin Flame journey, because this is like, because you have to deal with karmics, you have to deal with negative energies, you have to deal with purple energies. Why I keep saying this word, like, it's because I have seen so much of toxicity in this particular aura and color, and I understand why. Even astrologically, even being a divine feminine on the twin flame journey, I know even other stories and every X, Y, Z. So I know with everything. Yeah. So so boundaries. Why am I telling this? Okay. So what is, Six of Pentacles. So why am I telling this is the boundaries. So why the boundaries matter. So I've learned this the very hard way. So this particular toxic set want Deepa's intuition, but sit and do pusur pusur. Yeah, Chugal, basically the Chugal core group of the purple. When I title my video of purple aura, it would be Chugal core. Yeah, that word in dictionary should be written beside a purple aura. Yeah, so so this is how blunt a Scorpion is. I'm giving you the treatment. Let me tell you, no fucking Scorpion wants to be liked. Yeah. Either we are obsessed on, or either we are scared of. Tooth energies. Either people are obsessed with us, or either they are scared of us. So yeah. So a Scorpion plays a very important role. So yeah. So I don't allow people to play games with me, and let me tell you, I try my best to shut down my soft side. Because if when I begin my giving mode, no one can give like me. I'm a massive giver. Yeah. And that's the reason why Scorpion Cancer and a Scorpion Taurus beats the best love relationship. Why twice Scorpion is coming? With Pisces, I'm more of like a friend, buddy. Yeah. So, yeah. So I feel more connected to either a Cancer and a Taurus. I feel like they match my vibe. Yeah. So, okay. So, why I'm telling this is because Parvati teaches you that if you can be a motherly love, you also have to pick up a sword and be a Kali. So I don't like. See, first of all, I'm not a. I don't like this discussions. I don't like this talks, and I'm standing, on it. And let me tell you, people who doubted me 2-3 years ago understand why, seeing my journey, my success path, and I am a lone wolf. So why I'm telling all this is because this video is demanding. Yeah. So it's all about boundaries. It's all about, especially if you're in a Parvati life, how much you fight, because it's like do or die. You're in the last phase. It is a do or die. Yeah. So like literally, like you have reached that phase. Yeah. So we are talking about boundaries. So how do you do? So you say no. Fuck off. You have to have this attitude, because I would not be the one. See, if I talk one on one, dude, you're doing this fucking shit, you're doing this, you're doing this. If I talk like this, ask them to come talk to me in eye to eye. Literally, they're scared because my aura is like, before the boundaries, if it was 10x, now it is. So yeah, so it's now like 1000x. Full darn, like how you play your music and increase the bass volume. Let me tell you, I'll tell you from a men's perspective, because men are so attracted to me, obviously, and all of that. Yeah. So when men, I'm a fucking divine feminine, obviously they would be attracted. Yeah. So when it's happening at that range, I'll tell you, half men are scared to approach me. Yeah, because they feel I'm too high maintenance and they feel I'm too self-independent, self-made. Yeah. So half men, they propose me and they themselves say, we know you will not accept a proposal. So when some men come, because I resonate a lot with red, the mass element. So that is why I'm talking about all this, because the video is demanding the Six of Pentacles, dude. Yeah. So let's pick the next card. So this. So you need to have this. So I always used to, let me tell you, and another Scorpion would understand. I'm like, Deepa, no, don't show your Scorpion side. No, don't show it. I always pacify myself. Yeah. But now like cheer phat, ja baad mein. Yeah. So like that. So first of all, if you want Deepa to help you get clean, go jump in Ganga 5 times and come. Because then if I allow, then if you are doing kusur, I'll throw you till the moon. Yeah. So see, this is how I'm telling with this video is this is how you need to be. This is how you need to be around purple energies, around karmics and all of that. This is how you need to be. You do not allow anyone to take benefit of you. You do not allow anyone to get inside your head, because this purple auras will do that. Yeah, remember that. Okay. So moving on, let's see. Okay, Six of Cups. So yeah, so my mom is a psychologist, so I'm mentally trained. I do not allow anyone. I know that I trust this part. This is what my intuition is guiding me. Every decision in my journey has been this, irrespective of I came on this channel 5 years back. Before that, also I was doing my twin flame journey. So it's all about that. You trust your gut instinct. This is what I teach my twin V also. Yeah. So first of all, I will not do all the shit. But if shit is done upon me, I will ensure you never do that shit with anybody else. Yeah. So that is how a Scorpion is. Not only with me, but I'll ensure you'll never do that mistake with another person. So that is how a Scorpion is. That is why it's the most vengeful sign. Because they ensure that, that what they went through, no other person has to go through. First of all, what was the reason I made this channel? Is because I suffered a lot on my twin flame journey. Literally, I walked on fire. Yeah. So I didn't want others to go through what shit I have been through. But when as time progressed, I've understood that all of us have a certain karma and it is bound for us to suffer. And if you're being a shitty person in another person's story, yeah, karma will hit you. Yeah. See, Saturn, Shani teaches you that what you sow, so shall you reap. Okay. So why am I telling all this is the amount of boundaries. How is Anushka Sharma? How does she treat Ranbir Kapoor? She puts him in the place. So yeah, so why? Why? Because if you see, she's very blunt. How did that come? Because of that twin flame journey teaches you, especially if you're in a Parvati life. Remember, it is do or die. I'm telling you that. It is, you have to have, like I say, my vision is Arjun's eye. Like, literally like that. I see the fish, I know I will hit, and I will hit it with 10x speed. So yeah, so that is how you need to be. Why am I teaching this? Is because how boundaries you do this side, divine feminine, that side your person would give up his karmic energies. For example, in my twin flame journey, the main thing which I want to tell is both of us are lone wolf, both of us. So kind of we protect our energy very much at a very high. In fact, I'll tell you, we are the best twin flame couple for protecting our energy. Yeah. So I've seen it, the max in us. I'm not telling because there are some, each twin flame couple teaches you one aspect. Yeah. So Six of Cups. Okay. So I'm feeling to stop. So that was today. We are talking a lot about boundaries, because how much boundaries, how much lonely, how much alone you do this journey, how much you walk. Because see, you ultimately have to listen to your heart, listen to God, listen to your twin flame, listen, what's the telepathy, all of this. If there is silence around, you would listen with the depth. Yeah. So you got me? Okay. So what's the next card? Three of Pentacles. See, I told you, it's all Pentacles. So I feel like your person is isolating himself, because if you still do kusur pusur, remember, it would have a reaction. See, there are two things. Talking, for example, if I want to talk to somebody, what would be my way of telling? See, this happened, this happened, this was done with me. Simple. Then I'm not pusuring all this, have discussions, send evil eye, send envy. All this purple aura will do. Yeah. So all this Three of Pentacles. So why I'm telling this is in your divine masculine's life. Who is that fucking purple aura? Go find out. And only that would come when you're in that path of that karmic victory. Like I say, you need to karmic victory. Who taught me all this, dude? This is my original fucking content. Okay, so we're gonna pick the last card and see what's the last energy. Nine of Cups. So that's the path. Make your boundaries. Be specific about who is your circle. Yeah. And who you would invite and who would be part of your circle and all of that. Because let me tell you, the minute you do your divine feminine, that side, your divine masculine would do it at 10x, yeah, speed. So yes, my lovelies, thank you so much if you watched till the end. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and from here, important topics wherein I share a lot of insight, all the masala, give you in direct cut answer of what you can do in a scenario of a tough scenario in your twin flame journey, would be only membership content from henceforth, because I'm doing that to protect the energy and create a boundary. So yes, my lovelies, already 3 months ago, YouTube has, given me the permission to upgrade. My YouTube has helped me actually. YouTube self-messaged me that I can increase my membership content. So it came very specifically for this channel. So why that happens when a lot of people watch your channel? Yeah. So to the next 500K to 500,000, yeah, which YouTube is the most fucking hardest platform. So yeah, yes, my lovelies, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa winning the bye. Bye, guys.